Hi, my name is Dr. Matt Gloyd. I'm a physical therapist in Phoenix, Arizona. And our private practice is called PT3. And we've been using rapid release technology for over 5 years. In our private practice, we're using a wide variety of the latest modalities, dry needling, A-stem, other manual techniques. But the most productive tool in our toolbox is the Rapid Release Pro 2. So this high-speed vibration device is revolutionary when we use it in conjunction with other techniques, mobs with movement, active release techniques, PNF, because what we're able to do now is lengthen the muscle, manipulate it at high speed, and that frees up any restriction to movement. So now we've reduced their pain, and we've allowed them to return to their function faster. Since we started using this device, we're more versatile, and now we're treating a wide variety of conditions faster and ultimately providing the best quality of care for our patients. So this device has really had a huge impact on me professionally. We use it on every patient who walks in the door. So I would highly recommend this to any healthcare professional because it allows you to deliver better quality of care.